How to fix unable to download on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix unable to download on Android. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you are struggling with the unable to download error on your Android device, simply first step that you need to follow is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. A weak or unstable connection can prevent downloads from completing. So simply, if your Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch between your mobile data network and fix this kind of issue. The second step is simply checking the storage space. For that, go to the settings on your device. Scroll down and select the option of About Device at bottom of the screen and select Storage. If you are running low on space, consider deleting unused apps, old photos, or large files. Once you're free of the space, you have to try downloading on your device. If this step did not fix your issue, simply clear cache and data of Play Store or any browser where you are downloading the applications or any kind of images. For that, simply tap and hold Play Store. Select the I button to access App Info page. Tap Storage Users and tap Clear Cache. Once you have done that, you need to restart your device. For that, hold on the power button. And you need to slide towards restart and restart your device. Lastly, if you're using a VPN or proxy service, it could be interpreting or interfering with your downloads. Simply disable any VPN or proxy service and then try the download again. By following all the steps, you will be able to fix unable to download issue on your Android phone. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.